Hello guys, in this class, let's now talk about your LCM, which is called your lowest common multiple, your HCF, your highest common factor, and your prime numbers. And this will be our lesson to still on fraction. Now, let's explain each of them in one word.
Hold on a bit. The complete series of classes, right, as far as your syllabus is concerned regarding your JAMB and Waec, everything has been covered in details for you in the Learnliftapp. And guess what? The sweet part is that you have access to your CBT, right? You have access to your video lessons, you have access to your notes, you have access to your past questions. Everything from the beginning to the end is directly in the Learnliftapp for you. So all you have to do is just mark down to Play Store or App Store and download the Learnliftapp where you follow all your classes from the beginning to the end. A quick one before we move. Let's get back to class. Enjoy.
Now, let's start with the first guy, LCM. The word LCM means lowest common word multiple. Lowest common multiple, we're going to do that. The word HCF is called your highest common word factor. And what are non-prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that only 1 and itself can divide. Numbers that 1 and itself can divide are said to be called your word prime number. But take note that 1 itself is not a prime number. Note, 1 is not a word in prime number. So your lowest common multiple LCM, also called lowest common multiple, your HCF is called your highest common factor, and prime numbers are numbers that only 1 and itself can divide. Do you understand that? Now, if you say you understand that, quickly, let's go straight to past question. At every point, we'll take 3 past questions to explain what we are saying, while the rest will be in the word in notes. Do you understand? Why some will give you the hint of the past question to go and check. So let's start with the first guy. Everybody, all eyes on the diagram. The question says JAMB 98 is this question 3. Divide the LCM of 48, 64, and 80 by the HCF by their HCF. Option A was given, B was given, C was given. How do we solve this? First, let's calculate. The question says calculate the LCM. First of all, you get the LCM. You say divide the LCM by their HCF. So first, what we are asked to do is that we are asked to find LCM all over what? HCF.
So when it comes to creating an account, right, this is the interface of the app that you can see. You can see create account and you can also see login. Now, what you do is this: as a new user, you don't have an account yet, so you don't need to go and log in. You go and create an account as a new user. Click on that create account button. Once you click on it, the next thing is put your phone number. Place in your phone number. You can see +234, then put your phone number, whatever your phone number is. If you don't have phone, you can use your mommy's phone number and put it there, right? Or your daddy's phone number. Use it, and then you can proceed and create the account. So let's go. So once you create the account, you are putting your phone number. What happened? Put your name, your correct phone number, please. Put your name. If your name is John, what do you fill in there? John. And then your last name, Frank. Fill in John Frank. And what's your email address? Okay, if your email address is johnfrank3@gmail.com, you fill it there. And then your password, very important. You create your own password, 6 digits. You can use your phone number, the first 6 digits of your phone number, or the last 6 digits of your phone number. Or you can, okay, since your name is John Frank, you can say, okay, my password name is John, right? John 123. And then you go and repeat the same thing, confirm password. What will you type there? Your John what? 123. You can decide to view it to yes or, and then see whether you are doing the same thing, whether what you are doing is correct, right? All you have to do is just click the I button there and then you view it. And then come to select education. You are preparing for JAMB or Waec. In select education, there are 4 plans there. University, that's for people that are in university. Probably 100 level, 200 level, right? Yes, their classes are also there. Secondary, for those in secondary school, primary. But for JAMB and Waec, click Waec JAMB Pursuit TME, right? As the select education. Select level. You are not preparing for Pursuit TME, you are preparing for JAMB and Waec, right? Okay, click on the what? JAMB and what? Waec. And then create your account. 2 seconds. Plus, you don't enter. It will load and then it will open for you. And it will tell you, welcome, John, right? Your classes are now what? Ready. What do you do? Start learning.
So first, let's get the LCM. Now, what will be the LCM? The LCM, we are talking about what? 48. We're talking about 64. And we are talking about what? 80. So let's do. So 2 here can go. 2, that will give us 24, right? Here will give us 32. Here will give us 40, right? So 2 can still go. 2 here will give us 12. What will 2 here give? 16. 2 here will give us what? 20. What will 2 here give? 2 here will give 6. 2 here will give 8. 2 here will give 10. 2 can still go. 2 here will give 3, 4, and 5. Can 2 still go? 2 here, 3. This will be 2. This will be 5. Right? 2 can still go. That's 3, 1, 5. What can go again? 3 can go. 3 will give us 1, 1, 5. 5 can go. That will give us 1, 1, 1. So that practically is going to give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I mean, to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 times 2 times your 3 times 5. So if you press the calculator, you're going to get what? 960. This is the LCM. Let's now get the HCF. So let's make this point the HCF. So let's see. Let's say we have 48. This is HCF. So 48, we have 64. We have 8. So 2 can go. Right? 2 here will give 24. 2 here will give 32. 2 here will give 40. Because it's going to go, we're going to mark it. So 2 can also go. If you go completely, we'll mark. Here will be 12. Here will be 16. Here will be 20. Can go perfectly. So mark 2 here. Here will give us 6. Here will give us 8. Here will give 10. So we mark 2 here. Here will give 3. Here will give 4. Here will give 5. Here will mark. What can go? 2 can also. 2 can go, right? So if 2 go, it cannot for here. 3, it went for here. It's 5. So 2 cannot go. So we wrong. This is wrong. So what can go again? 2 can go. This, it cannot go into this. This is 1. This is 5. It's wrong. And because 1 has appeared, we stop. So our HCF now become 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what would that give? That will give what? 16. So what becomes this now? The answer now becomes what? 960, which will go from the LCM divided by 16. And what's 960 divided by 16? Press calculator. So 960 divided by 16 is also going to give us your what? Your 60. Making up D. So what we did is that we got the LCM, we got the HCF, and we added them to, and we divided them. That's what the question says.
Now that you have created your accounts, right? For you to start learning, what do you do? Okay, you can see that your use of English is there, mathematics is there, biology is there, physics is there, chemistry is there. Your classes are organized, they're all there for you, right? What do you do? Okay, I want to start learning biology. So click on the biology, immediately you click on it, living organisms, that's chapter 1, right? Oh yes, that's strictly to your JAMB syllabus. And what happened? Let's say, for example, you want to watch your class on cell and probably cell structure, right? What happens is that you click on it. Immediately you click on it, you see all the classes will display. History of cell, types of cells, cell organelles, and all of that. Okay, sir, I want to watch history of cells. You click on the history of cell immediately. Hello, friends. Your class will start playing for you. It will start playing for you easy and direct. And what happened? You can even choose to make it full screen. Right? Make it full screen. What happens? You are started learning and you are enjoying your classes. In fact, you may choose to say, okay, I want to download my classes. In fact, you can fast forward, you can take it backwards, you can pause, you can rewind, anyone you want to do. You can even say, oh, sir, I want to download my classes, right? Probably you use NightSub just to click on download buttons. When you click on download button, you see the download. Before you know what will happen, the download will start loading. As it start loading, you can see it is moving. And then it's enter your phone. Are you getting it now? You can now go and start watching your downloaded classes. You can download as many classes as possible as you want to download. Now, you can even choose to say, okay, oh, sir, that cell, oh, the notes underneath it is the same thing for everything. I want to download my notes. All you have to do is click on the download for your notes. Before you know what is happening, it has entered your phone. You may choose to come to the notes, right? Under the characteristics of living things, let me open the notes and read the notes and go through the past questions. So you see, well organized and structured notes, direct to the points, focusing on your syllabus for you. There are past questions for you in abundance. You see, you have your past questions here. You can choose to say, okay, I want to zoom it in, right? And then the same thing for all subjects. And you are following, the answers are there. Number one answer is B. Why is the answer B? It is explained for you in details, every singular thing, and then you are following your classes. You are done with that. You come to the next, you see your notes, everything structured and organized to the core. In fact, at the end of the day, there is a blow piece for you. You have done well. Get out, you too much. Everything is structured and organized for you in the app, right? And you can now choose to say, okay, sir, what about chemistry classes or physics classes? You can do same. Use of English, all of them, they are there. When you click on your chemistry classes, what happens? Separation of mixtures and purification. All of them are in line with your JAMB syllabus. Chemical combination, right? It just goes straight. You see, chapter 1 alone has 39 videos. 39, you sit yourself down, and you start learning. And you are following all of them one after the order. Does it make sense? Are you with me? When you want to access your download classes, all you have to do is just scroll down, right, on your home interface. Go to your access your download classes. Start now. You start. You see them, right? In fact, you may even choose to go and practice CBT, right, or past question. Let's say, for example, I go to my CBT, the one that has to do with my my biology. Then I want to take all the questions on that cell, probably your Waec cell or the JAMB question on it, right? Just to click on it. So you see, all the questions are there. There are 40 questions there for you already. All of them on that cell. What happened? Which of the following cell inclusion can destroy other cell organelles? Probably you now say, oh, some answer is lysosomal. You choose it, you go to next like that. At the end of the day, you see your answer, see your corrections. All of these things are in the Learnliftapp directly for you. Are you with me? So as far as your JAMB 2025 is concerned, my dear, you don't have an excuse whatsoever to have anything less than 300. Are you with me? All your classes are available for you. All you have to do, start learning now.
Download the Learnliftapp now.
Look at the question. The question says JAMB 1982. If x is an addition of prime numbers between 1 and 6, we're told that x is an addition between prime numbers, and y is the HCF of 6, 8, and 9. What's the product of x and y? We're given the option first. Let's understand. They say, what if x is the addition of the prime number between 1 and 6? So let's see prime numbers between 1 to 6. The word between means what is between, so 1 and 6 is not included. Hope you know. So this now practically becomes, what are the numbers between? Let's first of all list the number between 2 and 6. Between 1 and 6, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5. So we didn't list 4 and 5. Now let's look for the prime number. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. Is 3 a prime number? Yes. Is 4 a prime number? No. Is 5 a prime number? What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that only 1 and itself can divide. So everybody here now. So the prime numbers now, the prime numbers between 1 and 6 will give 2, 3, 5. Now what is x? They say x is the addition of the prime numbers. So our x now will now be equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5, which will be equal to what? To 10. So let's get y. Y, what is question say y is the HCF. So let's get the HCF. HCF y will now be equal to HCF of 6, 9, and 15. So what can go? 2 can go here. 2 will give 3. Right? 2 will give 3. 2 cannot go into 9. 2 cannot go into 15. So this is wrong. So 3 can go. 3 here will give 1. 3 here will give 3. 3 here will give 5. So 3 can go, but 1 has appeared. So we'll stop. What's the HCF? HCF is equal to 1. And that's y. So the question is, what's the product of x and y? What is x? X is 10. X is equal to 10. So the HCF is what? 3 from what we go here. So, and y, which is our HCF, is equal to 3. So what will be xy? Xy will be equal to 10 times 3, which will be equal to what? That. making option B to be correct. Do you understand? Just pause it and try to understand it. We got the prime numbers between that, and we got the word HCF. Now we are still in part 1 in lesson 2, which is LCM, HCF, and prime numbers. Now let's see the next question. JAMB 93 question 3. What are the prime numbers of this? We're giving the prime numbers. First of all, 25. Here we have to be logical. 2550 will give us what? It is a product of 9 times 8 times 7 times 5. Check it. 9 times 8 times 7 times 5. Yes, so this is what we're going to get. Now, how can we break this? They say, what are the prime numbers of this? Now, how can we see? First of all, this is a prime number, right? 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. How can we make this one's prime number? This is the same thing as saying 3 square times 2 raised to power 3 times 7 times 5. Is that correct? Because 3 square is 9, is 8. Now, these are prime numbers. So, the prime numbers here can practically be said, let's start from the smallest, that's 2, 3, 5, 7. That's 2, 3, 5, 7. If you check that, that's our option C. Because prime numbers are numbers that only one and itself can divide. Do you understand? A lot are in the notes. Please go. Now, what you do is that, please, before you enter the next segment, the next aspect, the lesson 3 now, go to the note, look for the one that consists of HCF. They're already in the notes. Go to the note. There are some I'm going to list for you, but there are some I want you to go and search yourself. I'll list that exact numbers to go and check in the note. But this one, go to the note and check the ones that concern HCF and LCM. Mathematics is practical. You have to be practical. The more you solve, the more you get stronger. So go to the notes and try to locate that. So, like I said, go to the notes, locate that. In our next class, we'll now talk about what addition and subtraction of fraction. And that is going to be our lesson 3. Don't forget to go to the notes and check. And don't forget to tell a friend about the Learnlift. I'll see you in lesson 3. But for now, peace out.
Hope you've enjoyed this class. Guess what? To follow up for more classes, just download the Learnlift app, whether on Play Store or App Store, and then follow up your classes. You must do extremely well. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.